Book 1, Unit 1. Unit 1, The Mechanical Engineer, Exercise 5, page 5. Subfields of engineering, the mechanical engineer. Do you want to become a mechanical engineer? Mechanical engineers design and build machines. They also assess the quality of existing machines. They adjust and improve the designs as needed. Sometimes mechanical engineers even invent new types of hardware. A qualified mechanical engineer has an engineering degree. Mechanical engineering is a very broad discipline. Most mechanical engineers specialize in a particular field. Areas of specialization include robotics, thermodynamics, and fluid mechanics. Students of mechanical engineering study physics and kinematics. Concepts like friction and power transmission are essential. Students learn how to manufacture machines and components. They also learn how to test machines effectively.